try this 4K footage out a little bit more. I got the bike all cleaned up. Back home from the gym, and we'll see how we look in the mirror. Does it look any different? We'll see. We'll go to our usual window right up here on the sidewalk at the dental studio. Yeah. So, Raven Moto pants, TCX shoes. I love these shoes. Raven Moto Black Onyx pants. Raven Moto Omens. Dionysi Airframe D1. And my beautiful Arai Corsair X helmet. And yeah, I look pretty badass. This is a pretty good street outfit. I like it. We got some really cool new stuff coming from Raven Moto, so make sure you guys subscribe. Check out Raven Moto. Use the link below. Use my discount code Hardcity, all caps. 10% off. What are you waiting for? It's literally like the best riding gear and the dopest looking riding gear that you can get. Better than Nicky Boy's toys. Better than all those other ones, and we'll be doing a video about that soon. But for now, we got other worries. We have other concerns with the Panigale V2 and this VanDemon exhaust. I've come to the conclusion that the bike needs to be retuned. And I talked to Brentoon, and he has a flash made just for the VanDemon. So, hopefully that's going to take care of our issues when we shift and it's bogging down. A lot of that might be the sprocket and chain as well being loose. So we got a few things going on here that we got to address with the bike, guys. It's not really running to its full potential. We're getting close to the 14,000 mile valve interval, and so, you know, the valves are going to need adjusting soon. I need brakes done. I mean, this thing I ride this bike a lot. Like, it's got 13,000 on it right now. I even got a damn turn signal out from the NRC tail tighty. They're sending me a new one. But, you know, other than that, the bike still runs good. It just likes to be high in the RPMs like this. If you're low in the RPMs, it's not running good. There's oil all right here. There was an accident earlier. But yeah, it just doesn't like to be low through the low gears. And that Turgan Yomi up map, if you got the VanDemon, don't put it on. Don't even waste your money, because Brentoon has the up map for the VanDemon. As long as you don't blow the motor up like Cali Moto TV did. He blows up a lot of bikes. He just blew up his brand new M1000, or the brand new M1S, whatever, the new BMW, but the Street Fighter version. Literally shot a rod through the block at 500 and something miles. Well, he's like, I don't know why it blew up. Dude, you're beating the piss out of the motorcycle on the track with, like, whatever, though. I don't think that's still the reason why it shot a rod, but he blows up bikes is what I'm saying. But apparently he put the VanDemon on his ex-girlfriend's Panigale V2, and I guess the valves got out of adjustment or something. That was an older bike too. Older bike that he had. So I don't know if like the mileage means anything or whatever, but you know, the bike was a bit older. But apparently, you know, he put the Bren tune on here after, and I think his valves were just out of adjustment. That was the main issue with it. But the problem with this VanDemon pipe is there's not a tune for it, and VanDemon doesn't sell one. I really should have just waited for the fucking Zard, but you know. A little bit of test footage. You know what's driving me crazy about YouTube right now, and this is kind of why I'm testing this out, to see if the 4K footage makes a difference in my views, because I really don't understand why my content isn't getting any views as opposed to other motovlog channels that are doing the same thing. It's not like it's oversaturated with, you know, I just don't understand it. I'm not getting them to recommend it, and I don't get it. So maybe it's the video quality, maybe it's the audio. I'm just trying to do everything I can at this point, guys, but I really just don't understand what's going on with YouTube. Because, to be honest with you, I really don't hate anything about this bike. So, you know, everything I hated about it, I kind of took care of with upgrades. And, you know, it's as simple as that. But I released that video to, you know, compare to other people who released that same type of video and seem to be getting somewhat views, you know what I mean? Like, I don't understand how I can have 20,000 subscribers and only get a couple hundred views in a few hours on a brand new released video that I've released within the time frame. The algorithm says people are watching my videos and tuning in, and I'm doing all the things I feel like you're supposed to be doing. I don't know, man. I'm lost. I'm at a loss of words. Like, I just, you know, I don't know. It's like, kind of makes you want to give up, honestly. When you do YouTube for 6 years and you see somebody with a half-assed video pass you in views and subscribers, and you've been doing it twice as long. I put 5 times the amount of effort in my videos than Will Kid Hill, and yet somehow he's already got 40,000 subscribers, and some of his videos of riding his bike flying through traffic illegal as fuck somehow are getting views. Like, because I thought like maybe I was just riding too aggressive and that was why YouTube was shadow banning it. But you know, you watch a guy like him and gets a shit ton of views, and then, like, you know, gets 40,000 subscribers. He just had 20 like a couple of months ago. So I don't understand what I'm doing wrong. You know, somebody guide me. I don't know what it is, man, but it drives me fucking crazy. Because, and like, you know, nothing against him. You know, congratulations to him, but you know, I guess you just get lucky sometimes, I guess. But when you do this shit for as long as I have, for 6 years, and you see people pass you with content that isn't really any different than what you're doing at all, I mean, the quality isn't different, the mics aren't different, you know, he doesn't have a bike that's super ridiculously, you know, better than this one. I think he's got a fireblade now, which is, you know, it's a badass bike, but you know, before that he had a CBR 1000. So I don't understand it. I mean, I'm not hating on the dude, you know, my hat's off to anybody who makes it in YouTube, but it's very discouraging for me, because I've been doing this for so long and I just can't seem to get ahead. Just can't seem to get ahead. But you know, we'll figure it out, guys. We'll figure it out, not to worry. Anyway, guys, that's what I got. Like, share, subscribe. Peace.